Saving money during a recession requires a strategic approach to manage your finances effectively. Start by creating a budget to track your income and expenses. Prioritize essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries while cutting non essential items such as dining out and subscriptions. Next, consider shopping smarter. Look for discounts, use coupons, and buy in bulk when possible. Focus on generic brands, which often provide similar quality at a lower price. Additionally, take advantage of sales and clearance items to stretch your budget further. Review your subscriptions and memberships. Cancel those that you don't use regularly. Consider cooking at home more often to save on food costs and plan meals to reduce waste. Now, if you have debt, prioritizing paying off high interest loans to reduce overall interest payments is not a bad idea. Building an emergency fund, even in small increments, can provide a financial cushion for unexpected expenses. Finally, explore ways to increase your income, such as freelance work or part-time jobs. Staying proactive and adapting your financial habits can help you navigate a recession more smoothly, ensuring you remain secure and prepared for any challenges ahead.